Ever wondered how some cats become internet stars? Here's how you can make your cat famous too. Step 1. Find your cat's special talent. Maybe they make funny faces, love high jumps, or just have an attitude everyone loves. Step 2. Film short, catchy videos. Viral trends, cute moments, and funny reactions work best. Step 3. Post consistently and use trending hashtags like cat talk and famous cat. The more you post, the higher the chances of going viral. And did you know? The world-famous Grumpy Cat turned her frown into a fortune, over $100 million from memes and merch. Your cat could be the next big star. Grab your camera and start filming today. Follow at the Continental Paws for more pet tips.